Hello Panthers, welcome to week 6 of Code.org. This video is for our kinders, first graders, and second graders doing Code.org for week 6. I'm Mr. Hernandez The Tech Teacher. Let's get started. I'm starting out on my website. Students, we're looking for the Code.org button. Alright, we want to click on the Code.org button and it'll take us to the sign in screen. On the top right hand corner it says sign in. Once you click on it, you look for the button that says Microsoft. Hey, if you click on the black Code.org button and it takes you all the way to the games, then you're fine. But if you see the sign in, click on sign in, then Microsoft. I'm already signed in on this screen, and so let's get to a lesson. Last week, the first few lessons really talk about clicking and dragging and moving different kinds of shapes and puzzles. Some of you got through it all, some of you didn't. I want to explain the next few lessons because some of you did get to some of those and started having a little bit of trouble, so I want to explain some of that. So the lessons after the clicking and dragging, the first one has to do with some coding with a little fun character named Scrat from Ice Age. And I hope you just saw that from that video. On your screens, if you don't see that continue button, you gotta just scroll down and click on continue. But please watch that video first. I didn't, but because I'm showing you right now, but click on the video, then click continue, and now we're here. And so a lot of you got to see this screen where it gives you directions on top. You have a workspace, and then you have Scrat on the left hand side in the actual game. Alright, I'm going to press continue. You can listen to the directions or not, it's up to you. But the directions are pretty much saying we want to get Scrat to the squirrel. Alright, and so how do we do this is, well, we have these blocks here, and we want to click and drag these blocks. This one's east to the right, which tells Scrat he's going to go east to the right towards the squirrel. One block here represents one block that he's going to move in that direction that it says. When we're ready, we're going to press run. And this coding language, coding is all about this language that computers do to be able to run or do the program, in this case this game. Okay, we're going to press run, which means start, and he gets to the acorn. We can replay, try the game again, or press continue. I'm going to press continue and go on to the next one. And this one, now we have two spaces, two squares to get to the acorn. Now, mine are already put together because I've already done this lesson a couple times, but you click and drag these, okay? They gotta snap. They'll snap like Legos. If you have your headphones on, you'll hear that clear snap. And then press run. And there goes Scrat. Now, things start to get a little bit more challenging the more you play this game, and so now not only are you going to the right, but then the acorn is a square up. And so I'm going to show you a couple of things. What happens when I do this wrong and what happens when I do this correct, okay? And so I'm going to run off the ice. I'm going to put 3 arrows and press run. See what happens. 1, 2, 3 squares, and oh, I fall into ice. Poor Scrat. And so this is what I can do. I can reset, click and drag this arrow to the right. Now, if I click and drag all the way up here on the top, I'm moving all of them, but I'm going to click and drag just the one I need at the bottom. And these blocks here change to the trash can. So I let go, and I'm going to press and click and drag the up at the end. And so now I have this nice little code that says right, right, right one block, right another block, and move up one block. Let's press run. And Scrat is successful. Yes! We made Scrat go all the way. And so you guys are going to keep going. It's going to get a little more challenging, but just do the best you can. Trial and error, right? This means you will probably make mistakes, and it's okay if you make mistakes, but just try to learn from them, fix them, right? There's going to be lots of opportunities to fix this, and keep trying. So don't give up, please. Now, if you make it all the way to the end of Scrat, I'm going to scoot over, and I'm going to go all the way to, let me go back to my sequence of lessons. So some of you who finish Scrat will be able to continue to Angry Birds. Let me show you what Angry Birds is all about. Similar, but now the language is starting to get a little more challenging. I'm going to press OK. And so I'm going to press start over here, and I'm press start over, and now I get a clean white space, just like what you would when you first see this. And so there's a new block here at the bottom called repeat. And what repeat does is it helps us put less blocks in the workspace. Now, most of you might want to try it differently, or we'll try it this way. I'm about to show you. But watch, we're going to go to the left, and now this Angry Bird needs to go get this pig. Play these blocks and try to get me to the bad pig, this Angry Bird says, okay? And if you need help, you can always click on the light bulb these light bulbs on our characters in the instructions will give you basically the answer, okay? Let me scroll down. You got to click on it a couple times because then they'll tell you. The bird will need to move west 3 times to get to the pig. Use this block. And so if you don't understand that or can't read that yet, my friends,
the bird will need to move west 3 times to get to the pig.
So let's put 3. 1, 2, 3. And, remember, and now we don't have the line so much, but you can tell this is 1, 2, and 3 spaces. Press 1. And he got to the pig. Let me press replay. But let's see what happens. I'm going to get rid of 2 of these. And I'm going to bring this guy out. But now I'm going to move this west inside and move it up. This repeat block basically means that I'm going to do this left west 3 times without having to put all these W west left buttons. Alright? Reset. Run. Yes, I did it. Press continue. We're just going to do one more, friends, and then it's your turn to try this out, okay? So I'm going to delete this, or I could just press start over too, okay? And so I'm going to do repeat again, and this time he's going down or south. 1, 2, 3. If you make a mistake, you're going to see some fun fireworks. Let's press run. And that's all there is to it, Panthers. So, kinders, first graders, second graders, week 6, code.org. Good luck. Keep having fun. Can't wait to see you. Bye for now.